Most people think earning money on InboxDollars is the hard part. But here's the truth no one tells you. A lot of users get confused during the withdrawal process and accidentally delay their payouts. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to withdraw money from InboxDollars in 2026. Step by step. You'll learn the fastest payout methods, common mistakes that slow people down, and how to make sure your money arrives safely. Let's get straight into it. First, log into your InboxDollars account using the app or website. Once you're inside, check your account balance. InboxDollars uses real dollar amounts instead of points, which makes it much easier to track your earnings. After reaching the minimum withdrawal threshold, go to the Payments or Redemption section. Depending on your region, you'll usually see options like PayPal, prepaid Visa cards, or gift cards for stores like Amazon and Walmart. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many beginners immediately cash out the second they hit the minimum amount. But sometimes InboxDollars offers bonus promotions or better value gift card deals if you wait a little longer before redeeming. If you want the easiest option, most users choose PayPal because the setup process is simple and the money goes directly into their account. But here's the problem. Many users forget to verify their account information before cashing out. If your email, payment details, or account information don't match correctly, withdrawals can get delayed. This is where most people fail. They rush through the verification process and ignore confirmation emails. Jake from Florida thought InboxDollars never paid him, but his payout was stuck because he never completed email verification. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to avoid payout delays completely. After selecting your withdrawal method, enter the amount you want to cash out and confirm the request. InboxDollars may review the transaction before processing it, especially if it's your first payout. Now here's something important many people don't realize. First-time withdrawals usually take longer than future payouts because the platform checks new accounts for security reasons. Alex from Chicago noticed his second and third withdrawals processed much faster after successfully completing his first redemption. Another smart strategy is starting with a smaller withdrawal first. This helps confirm your PayPal account or gift card delivery works properly before redeeming larger balances later. Now here's where it gets even more important. Avoid using fake information, VPNs, or multiple accounts. InboxDollars actively monitors suspicious activity, and violating the rules can freeze your account or cancel pending rewards. Also remember this. InboxDollars works best as a side income platform. It's great for earning extra spending money, gift cards, or small online purchases, but it's not designed to replace a full-time income. So, here's the bottom line. Withdrawing money from InboxDollars is simple if you follow the correct steps. Verify your account. Choose a trusted payout method. Confirm your details carefully, and stay patient during the first processing period. If you've already cashed out from InboxDollars, comment below with the payout method you used and how long it took. And if this guide helped you withdraw your earnings successfully, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more legit online earning tutorials.